Alright, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some techniques that I've been using in my past design. This drop shadow, I'll be using it, and I have another one that I kind of also used it here. I just want to show you it's a simple technique to do in your design, and without further ado, let's get right into it. So welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video at the end, please hit the like button. So without wasting much time, let's get right into it. Okay, the first thing we need to do is to create a new document. Control N. Okay, once you're done, just come here and draw a rectangle. After drawing the rectangle, just round off the edges to something relatively small. Let's say 20, 18, 19. That would be great. Okay, draw another rectangle, and with this second rectangle drawn, just paint it to be white and clip it to the previous one that you've drawn. Okay, once you're done clipping it, then go to your move tool and you are back the way it is. Then change this very first one to white color. It will almost make both of them invisible. Okay, so we're going to create a new solid background. Go to solid and just click on, just drag the brightness down a bit so that it can be different, okay, from what we have as the rectangle. So we're going to drag this one to the bottom. We can actually delete this, we don't need it, but you can actually leave it there. So we have this here now. Okay, in the description I'm going to supply you what I'll be dragging in next. Okay, it's a drop shadow, and let's just go get it. Download. This is light. We'll be using these two, but let's go to download where I have this drop shadow. Okay, I have two variation, so you can take any one. I'll be uploading them both. I downloaded them from PNG Wing. So we just aligning it to the bottom is going to give you this effect, but you can see some of the edges here. You just need to adjust so that it fits in. Enter, just drag. Okay, make sure it fits. Just align it properly. That's what you need to do. Okay, once you're done like this, the next thing to do is to give it this look. Okay, this one is just the shadow technique, but here I just want to show you how I was able to give this glow effects to this other part of it. Okay, so all I did was to come in here and bring in my light. Okay, we're gonna come here and drag it into our timeline, into our design. I don't know why I keep calling Photoshop timeline. Okay, reduce it to the size that we want, and we're going to place it somewhere here. Okay, we're going to double check here, or you're going to right click and go to blend option, or you can double click somewhere here. It's going to take you to the same place. So let's just wait for Photoshop to load up blending option. Okay, here we are. So we're going to come here, you're going to hold down the Alt key and separate this variable. Okay, hold down the Alt key and push it all the way to the end. Okay, and just click OK. That's what you need. So now we're going to clip it to this one again. So we're going to drag it in between, because this is actually the rectangle, the main guy. Okay, this is one. So we're going to drag this light in between, because this one has been clipped already. This first one is clipped. Was to drag something in between what has been clipped before, it's going to automatically clip. Okay, so now we have this, and we are just going to make duplicate. Hold down the Alt key and just drag. It's going to make another duplicate. Hold down your Alt key, drag. It's going to make another duplicate. Just randomly, just place it somewhere you think may increase some, for some to be bigger than some. Okay, just let's duplicate one more time. Okay, let's make this one a little bit bigger. Okay, I just want it to leak in. I just make it something like this. Okay, with this we'll be able to achieve this look. Okay, that's how I was able to make this one here, and I was able to make this one with the drop shadow. Okay, you can use this techniques to make your CTA, call to action, date, time, venue in your design. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, please hit the like button. If this is your first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And this is my 15th day of teaching what I know as a graphic designer. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.